Thanks, Team Shriji. I'm already overwhelmed, and the butterflies are growing in my tummy. Though I've been, coming onto the stage, and it's been my forte to address big gatherings. But this is some occasion where the butterflies are growing, and I'm feeling a bit, nervous for the first time. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, parents, and cherished students. It is with great humility and enthusiasm that I stand before you today as an upcoming principal of this esteemed institution. As I embark on this journey, I am filled with profound sense of duty and excitement to lead this school towards greater heights of excellence and achievements. To begin with, I would like to take a moment to extend my heartiest thanks to our chairman who provided me the opportunity to be the part of Shriji family. Thank you, sir, for your trust on me and looking forward to learn under your mentorship. Big thanks to Ma'am Neelam for passing the baton to me. Ma'am, be assured that this responsibility will be discharged with utter care and true spirit. I'm honored to follow your footsteps and will continue with your vision and legacy of excellence. Thank you, ma'am, once again. My word of gratitude for dynamic Director Mr. Himanshu, who has been quite supportive and forthcoming since the day we got into the communication. Thanks, sir, and together we will do miracles in terms of scaling our school to the greater heights. I'm also thankful to other members of selection committee who felt that I am capable enough to lead this school. Thank you all. Now for the annual function, I would like to extend my word of gratitude to our chief guest, Major General Rajan Kochar, for his presence and valuable time he invested with us. Sir, your gesture will leave a marked impression on us. Thank you, sir, once again. Finally, kudos to Team Shriji for putting up such a great show by overcoming the time barriers and other challenges. I know post-examination it is really difficult to motivate the students and to encourage them to get ready for such a big event. And as we remember during our days as well, that these days we used to relish to visit around to our relatives and stay back at home. But in spite of that the team worked hard and they pulled up and they got the kids together and they produced such a wonderful performance. Great too. Kudos to all the members of the team. As I assume the mantle of leadership, I'm acutely aware of the responsibility entrusted to me. I pledge to uphold the values and tradition that defines this school, while also embracing new opportunities for further growth and progress. I always believe in team because team is always a force multiplier. So when the team work together with collaboration, miracles happen, the success comes after that. Any effort laid by a group combinedly pulls the success like two opposite poles of magnet. Together we will work tirelessly to create a nurturing environment where every student can thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. I believe that a school should be a place where holistic learning is done holistically, where theoretical knowledge is handsomely compensated by project-based activities or hands-on learning, where students are equipped with OODA. Now this is a new concept. OODA means observe, orient, decide, and act philosophy to make them future ready. My vision, like any other edu leader of today for this school, is only inclusivity, collaboration, and continuous improvement. I believe that by fostering a culture of mutual respect and understanding, we can unlock the full potential of every individual with our community. Through innovative teaching practices, meaningful engagements with parents and guardians, and relentless focus on students' well-being, we will empower our students to become lifelong learner and responsible global citizens of tomorrow. Many professions are going to be obsolete in coming future. So we need to prepare them and also making them future ready so that they are empowered, they are upskilled, and when they go out to this world, they are absolutely ready to fight the problems they are going to face, and they become resilient as well. In closing, I'm filled with a profound sense of optimism for the future of this school. With unwavering support of the management and dedicated staff, I am confident that together we will achieve great things. Let us embark on this journey together, united in our commitment to excellence and inspired by the limitless potential of our students. Thank you. Thanks, Vanilla.